Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the new update, friends, Realme UI, which I received in the Realme X2 device. So update size is of 2.98 GB, friends. So they can clearly see. And date I received about 2nd May 2020. So I just want to give this update every time I record the video, friends, regarding the new update which I received in the Realme X2 device. And the Realme UI update I have received in the Realme X2 Pro as well, friends, and I'm using for the past two weeks. And overall, my impression about the Realme UI is 50-50, friends, because of the having the huge battery drain. That is major concern for me in terms of battery draining issues with the Realme UI. And I'm just very curious to check whether the Realme X2 will also have the same kind of battery draining problems or not after updating to the Realme UI update. So I'll be doing plenty of battery drain test on the Realme X2 device, friends. And meanwhile, if you want to know in detail reviews about the Realme UI and what are the features it has got, or even created the playlist as well, Realme UI playlist, so where you can find plenty of useful videos, so which has plenty of explaining the videos of features of Realme UI. So definitely, friends, I'll be doing more and more videos on the Realme X2 device. So don't forget to check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of more related videos on Realme X2. So where I uploaded plenty of videos, more than 150 videos on the Realme X2 alone, friends. So subscribe to my channel, and it takes a lot of time and effort in making plenty of videos on each phone. So definitely subscribing to my channel will be very helpful, friends. As you can see, the device is of Realme X2 and the update size is of 2.98 GB. So in this video, I just want to mention that I received the Realme UI update, and today I'll be updating my mobile, and very soon I'll be posting plenty of videos. And because I'm getting plenty of queries on the Realme X2 regarding the battery life and charging issues as well, so I'm gonna test all of those problems in the next couple of days, and I'll be updating you all, friends, regarding the how is the battery and how is everything. So do check out my playlist, friends, on the Realme UI, and for more videos subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.